Are you trying to decide between Workflowy, Notion, and Dynalist? You're not alone. Many people wonder which tool is best for organizing their thoughts and tasks. In this video, we'll compare these three popular tools. Each one helps you manage information, but they have different features and styles. Workflowy is all about simplicity. It uses a bullet point system that lets you create outlines easily. You can zoom in on any topic, making it great for focusing on details. It's perfect for those who like a clean and straightforward design. Notion, on the other hand, is more versatile. It combines notes, databases, and tasks in one place. You can customize your workspace with templates and different views. If you want a tool that can do many things, Notion is a strong choice. Dynalist sits somewhere in between. It has the outlining feature like Workflowy, but offers more structure. You can add tags, due dates, and even collaborate with others. It's great for users who need a bit more than just simple lists. Now, let's look at the key differences. Workflow is best for minimalists who want a clean interface. Notion is for those who need a multifunctional workspace. Dynalist is for users who want an outline but with added features. When it comes to pricing, Workflow offers a free version with basic features. Notion has a free plan too, but its premium features come at a cost. Dynalist also has a free tier, but advanced options may require payment. So, which one should you choose? If you like a simple layout, go for Workflowy. If you want a powerful all in one tool, Notion is your best bet. If you need outlining with extra features, try Dynalist. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.